ET Brand Equity brings to you top stories of this week. WPP has announced the coming together of AKQA and Grey to launch what it calls a new network model that offers clients outstanding creativity, innovation, and brand building at global scale. Called the AKQA Group, the new entity will combine Grey's creative storytelling and brand building skills with AKQA's innovation and experience design skills. The founder of AKQA, Ejaz Ahmed, and Grey Worldwide CEO Michael Houston will partner to lead the new group. Amazon Prime Video has announced its first foray into live sports in India with the acquisition of India territory rights for New Zealand cricket through 2025 and 26. Under the multi-year deal between Amazon and the New Zealand Cricket Board, Prime Video will become the one-stop streaming destination for all international cricket matches to be played in New Zealand for both men's and women's cricket across ODI, T20 and Tests starting late 2021. The Indian Territory New Zealand Cricket Rights package is the latest in Prime's Video's lineup of live sports around the world. Jewelry maker Tanishq has come under fire again this festive season, this time for a call to action that urged consumers not to burst firecrackers. The new Tanishq ad has set #BoycottTanishq in trend again and has become the new scapegoat for online trolls not long after the brand received backlash for its digital film depicting a scene from an interfaith family. In what is now an iconic video, the American Vice President-elect Kamala Harris is seen wearing a Nike sweatshirt emblazoned with the famous swoosh, congratulating Biden after he was named the 46th president of the country. The accompanying text in the tweet read, "We did it" at Joe Biden, and Nike's motto happens to be "Just do it." Harris also sported Converse sneakers while campaigning, which added to the Nike-owned sneaker brand's cultural influence. The impact of Burger King's latest Order from McDonald's campaign received mixed reviews according to a study by user testing across consumers from India, Australia, Singapore, the US, and the UK. The study revealed that UK-centric consumers were more cynical than those based outside of the country and perceived this as nothing more than a marketing tactic. However, at a global level, the survey said that 90% of respondents foresee an increase in brand loyalty for Burger King after reading the letter that encouraged readers to order from other competing fast food franchises, pointing to chains like McDonald's, Pizza Hut, and KFC. That is all for this week. You can find us on our social media handles mentioned on the screen.